lipstick is a classic. Ready for the cutest blush hack? Blush means red cheeks, right? Some blending action. Oh, hey. Oh, hey! Ryan! Hey, handsome! Missed you! Me too!
Ladies? What did you do?
Oh, oops.
My shirt is ruined! Don't hug me ever! Both of you!
Ugh, you can't turn Ryan against me!
You're doing that all by yourself.
Gonna grab my book real quick. Oh.
Yo, you'll regret it if you skip the disco party.
Wow, I won't miss it. This hallway's about to smell like luxury.
Hey, any plans?
Don't ruin my moment.
Are you done?
Yeah, what?
You're invited. I'll see you there.
Playing it cool was so hard. Should I wear these to the party? Ugh, maybe not. So painful. Oh no. These are not better. This is torture. These boots are made for walking. And my pink pony club hat. Let's go. No way! Plot twist! Howdy, fashionistas. Wow! Can I get a yee-haw? You look amazing! Those boots are iconic! I can't walk another step in my boring shoes after this. Let's see how much I have. I have nothing! Nada! Girl, you need a new bag too. Ugh! I hate you! Huh? Wait a second. Time to put my DIY skills to use. Gonna use lots of pink glitter for this. Pour some glue. Quick! Mix it before the glue dries. Just the right doughy consistency. Ta-da! Who needs diamonds when you've got this? The ultimate heart stealer pendant. Straight from the glitter lab of Mindy. It's made with love. Huh? Now I'm jealous. Eat your heart out! Huh. Let the glow up begin. Wow! But you have… What? A pimple? Huh? Oh, unacceptable! I need to see the damage. No! Right before the party? Seriously? Full coverage foundation, do your thing. Oh no! It's immune to makeup! Yikes. That's unfortunate. Luckily, it's not my problem. Let's bend reality one selfie at a time. Who needs fairy godmothers when you got some magic tricks up your sleeves? Okay, I want a pink top. Wow! A bright pink lipstick. Perfect. Just the right shade. Might as well give myself a little hair upgrade. They say blondes have more fun. Let's test that. Ooh, new hair, who dis? Ouch! Who are you and where's my friend? Better get used to the new fabulous me. Wow. Here's my selfie. Work your magic. What do you want? Isn't that obvious? Consider it done. Just give me a minute. Watch and learn. My zip-zapping skills are next level. Wow! Yay! Happy? Can't thank you enough. Huh? No! Whoa! All that effort down the drain! So much for beauty magic. Tragic. Better luck next time. Like and subscribe for more great videos.
Alright, class is about to start.
Hello, teacher. Sorry I'm late.
Did you check the time? You can't come in this late. Go away.
No, please!
I won't repeat myself. Did you come late to class?
Huh?
Watch and learn.
I'll show you how it's done.
What?
Good morning, teacher.
How dare you come in this late?
Achoo! Sorry, I'm sick.
Oh, I see. Poor thing. All right, take a seat. Get well soon.
What a trickster!
Fine, you can sit too.
Thank you, teacher. Unbelievable!
Haha, told ya.
All right, let's start the lesson. Math time. Solve this problem.
Okay, I got this. Now we add this. Perfect.
Hey, slow down, Brainiac.
Square root plus 2.
Ugh, so boring. Snack time. Ugh, whatever. I'll take a nap. Ugh. Huh? What the heck? Where is she?
I have to solve this. Done. Finally. Yes. I'm so smart.
You really did all that just to get the answer? That's kind of silly.
What do you mean?
There's an easier way. First, take these two numbers and multiply. Now the bottom ones, multiply them too.
No way.
Next problem, cross multiply, like this. Do the same here. 5 times 2, that's 10.
Wow, cool. I have to try this. Here we add, and here we multiply, like this. This one's minus, so subtract first, then multiply again. Nice. This is awesome.
You're welcome.
High five. Thanks.
Watch closely.
No way.
Now you draw a circle.
Good thing I brought my compass.
It'd be kinda cool to pierce my ear. Oh yeah. Wait. I could use that. Give it to me.
Hey!
Don't be such a baby. Let's do this.
Wait, if he uses that, he could get an infection. Stop!
Hey!
Don't do it!
Huh?
You're so mean.
Ugh, my circle's ruined. What do I do?
Time to show your work.
You have to help me.
No!
I'll give you chocolate.
Okay, I'll need this. Oh, and this too.
Ouch! Careful!
Relax, it's for a reason. We put it together like this. Done!
And
Watch, place it on the paper. Then spin the page, like this.
whoa, that's cool!
Of course, now my chocolate.
All right, time to grab my supplies. Markers, pens, sticky notes. Perfect, that's everything.
Seriously? Let's see what I have. There, done.
Ew. Okay, let's start. Wait, where are my scissors? Oh no, I forgot them.
Ha!
Oh no!
Hey, don't cry. I'll fix it.
How?
Watch me. Take 2 rulers and place them like this.
Why?
So you can cut paper.
Really?
Easy. Here you go.
Wow, thanks! That's awesome!
I checked your tests. Very bad.
Whatever. Meh, don't care.
Here's yours. Good job.
An A-? No way!
What happened?
I have to fix this grade. Now! I'll try to erase it. Ugh, it's not working.
Hey, chill.
I'll make a new grade. I need glue. This should work. I'll put glue over the old grade and stick a new one on top. Done. Problem solved. Or not.
That's a mess. Check this out. Just circle it. Done.
How did you do that? Anyway, my test is doomed.
Fine. First, I'll remove my name. And write Mindy instead. Here, cheer up.
Wait, that's my name with a perfect grade? I totally love you. I mean, you're so kind.
I'm not ready for this test. Someone help me! Time's up! I guess it's time to get clever. What? You naughty girl! Don't even think about cheating! Do your test while I snack on this candy. Well, thanks for the idea. Just swap the chocolate bar for a phone, like this. Yum! Huh? What's this? Cheating again? Nope. See? Just a chocolate bar. Fine then. Phew, that was close. Now it's time for the test. That's better.
Oh, where are you?
Yes! Aha! Busted! Huh? What do you mean? I'll show you. Give me the phone. You won't need this. Do the test. Ugh, how do I get answers now?
Good luck with that.
Give me that! My juice now. Wait, that's an idea. Take the juice box, cut a slit. Slide in the cheat note. Done. Tasty juice. And full of answers, too.
Hey! This is mine, okay? Wow! Uh-oh!
Unbelievable.
Better copy fast. Oh, yeah.
Oh, got it. Huh? Stop it! Oh. I'll deal with this. Here's what happens to cheat sheets in my class. Got it? Meanie. I'm watching you. What now?
Wait, look! Answer's over there! We got a distractor. Okay? We're fighting!
She's not looking. Let's go harder.
Uh-oh.
Hey! Stop it right now! Young lady, no hitting classmates!
Time to get to work. Oh, yeah. Yes! Done! Psst! Hey!
Fine, I get it. Phew!
Oh, yeah!
Score!
You go!
No, you! Watch closely.
Okay, fine. Let's play it out.
Gladly.
Haha, yes! I'm the champ! Go, girl!
Fine. Here I go. Excuse me. What? Boogie, boogie, boogie! Oh my! Done. Here. Huh? What was that? Maybe I imagined it. Anyway, back to work.
Nice! Copy quick!